Do you wonder how to keep your hands dry or warm in winter? You could wear gloves but you still feel cold. So this is a technique how you can keep your hands dry and warm in winter. First, get latex gloves. By putting first your latex glove before putting your normal gloves, prevent your body to lose its warmth and prevent your body or your hands to get wet, and it keep your hands warm that way. So this is another tips we found by providing property maintenance and gardening services. So check our channel and you can find more tips in our DIY short tips section.